In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean subtitles in Premiere Pro using the Essential Graphics panel. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can follow along as you edit. Start by placing your playhead where the first subtitle should appear, then go to the graphics menu at the top, choose New Layer and select Text. This creates a new text layer and a text clip on your timeline. You'll see the text box in the program monitor ready for typing. Type each subtitle line exactly as you want it to appear on screen. Keep lines short and readable, ideally 1 or 2 lines per subtitle, and avoid cramming too much text. Each subtitle should be its own text clip so you can control timing individually. After you've typed the first one, create additional text clips for the rest of your lines. This helps maintain clarity and makes timing adjustments easier later. Place the text where you want it to sit. Most subtitles live near the bottom center, above the lower edge, so they're legible without covering important visuals. Next, match your subtitles to the dialogue. On the timeline, drag and trim the edges of each text block to line up with the speech. Use the audio waveform as a guide to see where words begin and end, and let clips snap to the playhead for precision. Aim for a comfortable on-screen duration, long enough to read, but not so long it lingers after the speaker has moved on. As a rule of thumb, 1 to 6 seconds usually feels right. Play back a few sections to check pacing and adjust the in and out points until they feel natural. If 2 lines appear too close together, add a small gap so viewers can distinguish them. Finally, style everything in the Essential Graphics panel. Select a text clip and set a clear, legible font. Adjust size for readability and choose a color with strong contrast against your footage. If your background is busy, add a subtle shadow stroke or a semi-transparent background box to keep the text crisp. Use the alignment and transform controls to center your subtitles and keep them within the safe margins so nothing gets cut off. Make sure spacing, position, and style are consistent across all clips. Once one subtitle looks right, apply the same settings to the rest so your project feels cohesive. When you're done, watch the sequence from start to finish. Listen for timing, look for consistency, and make small tweaks as needed. That's it. Clean